This is regarding this little heater. Some of the things, it's a great little heater for what it is. Quality is a little kind of like right along here, and I think that's just mainly due to the screws. I'm not too concerned about that coming out. But as you can see, it's a basic fan. I'll just start here. It won't turn on right now because of the safety switch here. See? That safety switch, as soon as you stand it upright, will allow the unit to turn on. But there is no temperature settings on the fan itself. It's a basic fan. As you can see, there's not much to it. Indicator light and some basic warning documentation, manufacturing information here. But basically, when I turn it on, it engages the switch in the bottom, and as you can see, it turns on. Not much to it, but there's good heat coming out of it, but it's only 500 watts, so you're not going to see excessive heat from this little fan, and there is no temperature control. But for heating a small area, perfectly fine. I have it in my office, and it does a great job of just taking that chill off first thing in the morning.
Love, love, love. It's keeping me warm in my cubicle. I like the safety feature. See, turns off. Lift it up. It turns back on. This is cool to touch. Don't ever touch this. See it? It's so small. It's teeny weeny. Teeny weeny. So small. Stop working.